Welcome again. So we are going to see how to use a CNC software. So open it as a software and wait. We see use English Swansoft any simulation. Use Fanic, but when you click on this, you see there is many types of machine, how to use them. So when we push this down, you see that is the types of NC machine that we can use. Okay, so but let's use CNC OIT this first. Okay, and click on run the machine. Yeah, okay, and wait to open that. Okay, and when it is open, we see it open like this one. Okay, you have to add this code by clicking in this part. Okay, and see on this toolbar we have many meaning about this software. You see here on file is where you have to save our project after operate that. Okay, and you see this exist. Yes, come on view, we have switch to view. We see like this one where we have the interface like this one. Also come on switch to view, we see it is like this one, and click it again. Yeah, okay, it come again. Okay, so come on here, zoom out. Have to zoom out, and you see it's like this one. Use this like as a zoom out. Okay, this is a zoom in. You see it's like this one. You can also use this as a zoom in. We have to get that. Yeah, okay, this is a zoom in. Yes, okay, come also in a view. Come also in a view. Yes, click on it. View. Yes, click on the interface for coming in a view. Okay, wait a moment. Yes, click on view. This is zoom out and zoom in. Yeah, okay, panel view. Where we have to see this like this one. Where we have to centralize that machine to interface user. Okay, so and come on view. You have to rotate the view. Here we have to make the rotation of our view. You see, here we have to rotate the view. Okay, so come on also rotate, cancel it. Okay, view again. You have to see in the 2-dimension view where the machine is like to be this one. This is a 2-dimension. Okay, also come on view to see where 2-dimension is a left. Okay, view again. Here we have to see front plane of this machine. We see also we have to see right plane. The machine is like this one. Okay, also top plane. The view from the top of the machine is like this one. Okay, and come on here, D1 monitor display. You will see that you cannot display D1. Okay, that cannot be opened. Okay, so continue on this machine. We have to click on this part to see the machine again, and the side where we have to see that where. Okay, come on machine on display. You see show machine. When you click on that, the machine is missing. Okay, when you click also on show machine, you have to see the machine. Okay, on the interface. Okay, but also when we see the machine sound, when you cancel that, we don't know listen the sound of the machine. Okay, and also in display you have to cancel show coordinates. This is a coordinate of the machine. You cancel that, but for where we see where, let us hide the coolant, show coolant. The coolant are missing on the machine. Okay, also come on display, show the coolant. Okay, this part here are those which can show us how the the part that exists on the machine. For example, when we click on the show workpiece, hide that, there is no workpiece on the chuck. Okay, you see it where. So but also come on display and show the workpiece again. Yes, come on the machine operation. This shows us how the machine will operate. For example, CNC parameter. Okay, adjust the coolant. Here we have to set the coolant. This for pipe number 1 and pipe number 2. And you have to see here we have 2 pipe. Okay, so when you operate this for rail, adjust this. Let me show that. Okay, yes, let me put here. Have adjust length of pipe 1. When we click here, the pipe of length 1 is adjusted by here. Okay, you see. And then when I come also to the length 2, you see is move down and here move up. Okay, also to the angle, you have to adjust the angle. This is the angle of the pipe which blows coolant to the workpiece. Okay, you see that. Okay, so this is for the pipe number 2. You see. Okay, this is for pipe number 2. Here we have to adjust the coolant. Okay, let me cancel that. Come on machine operation. Here we have machine door. We have to close and you have to open the door. Okay, so also we have other which is workpiece. This is the workpiece. We cannot do it. You have to see this hardened because we cannot insert the workpiece here on the chuck. Okay, so but we will see in the next session how to set the workpiece. Okay, and the other here we have to take the measurement. This feature point. We see this the point here. You have to take measurement by using this CNC Swansoft software. Okay, we have to set the measurement. Okay, also you see this is a feature line. Yeah, okay, measure line. We see. Okay, also take the take also the measure distance. Okay, this is a distance of the stock. Okay, also you have to measure angle for this part. Okay, so roughness distribution. Yeah, this is a measurement. Yes, by exist that measurement, you come and click on here exist measurement. Yeah, and also come back here. Okay, so this exercise test we have to exercise the network version. This upload workpiece informal. Okay, this can be used by using internet connection. Okay, but in window we have toolbar. This is a toolbar which is located. These are on top. Okay, and you have a status bar which is located these are below the machine. Okay, so and also you have to need the help. Yeah, you have to need the help for doing operating this machine. Okay, so and this is side where to show this part is similar for that which is located on this toolbar. Okay, you see here, this is an empty code. There is no code for here. You cannot generate any code. And this also file open is like that one for coming on file here. Okay, so also this is file save. Okay, save as we have to save our program. Okay, and also this is a parameter setup for setting the parameter of this machine. Okay, and this part for solar tool management. This tool management is like for coming to the machine operation. You have here tool management. Yes. Okay, and you have also our switch mode. Okay, workpiece setup. We see that in the machine operation. Okay, and you have the workpiece here. This can be okay exist. Yes, and you have a door. This door. Opening. Okay, that's our exist. Okay, and we see this also on here we have zoom out and zoom in. Those are which can be exist for this toolbar. Okay, is in this toolbar, you see this workpiece. Here shows stock, and this part shows us the coolant, shows the coolant. We see it in our machine operation, just a coolant. Okay, yeah, this is a sound, machine sound that is in this. We can see our display. Yes, we have the display. We see the machine sound. Okay, yes. Also, this is our interface user, and this is the our control for our Swansoft machine, where we have this display which shows us where to put the coordinates for X and Z. Okay, this is a helpers to set our machine. Okay, and this is a motor control for controlling the machine operation. Okay, and you see this button, this is an emergency button. Okay, and then this is where to put our key for the switch on and switch off the machine. And this is where to adjust the speed of the machine. We will see it how to switch the speed of the machine. Okay, where you want to switch, I have to rotate for getting the speed of machine, and this also, these are the same. Okay, so thank you for very much for this session. By next time we'll see how to get a workpiece and to generate the code for using this Swansoft. Okay, so thanks so much. I wish you for like this session, make a subscribe, and make share with a comment for this session. Thank you very much.